What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another unboxing to do with you guys. I know 2 days in a row, right? Go for like a week and no unboxings. Now we got 2 in a row. Technically 3 because we had a surprise double unboxing yesterday. Really excited. Again, I don't know what's in this box. It is coming from the pass-around group, which means whatever is inside was provided directly by the manufacturer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just kind of get going here. Make the cut right there and peel her open. Really, it's all about the tactical nature in which you make that first cut and how you go about opening the box. See, this is clean right here. This is exactly how the combination of the Lady of the Sea and my tactical finesse, that's exactly, I mean, you guys should be, if you're not taking notes, you really should be, because that's really the only way to unbox something. We have another WE knife here. I'm going to put this stuff over here so it doesn't get in the way. Of course, WE's nice zipper pouch. Really like these. You know, they're generic, but they're nice. I enjoy them. Let's go ahead and unzip this here. And, all right, we have an interesting, and oh my gosh. Okay, so this, I'm going to take a risk and just say this on camera. I haven't seen anything on the blade, anything on the packaging. This is an Elijah Isham. Yeah, I'm 99.9% sure this is one of his designs. And that's a good thing when you have, you know, essentially made a name for yourself based on an instantly recognizable design. Whether or not this is your thing, you know, if you're not aware, the craziness, the you know, insane futuristic look of this knife is distinctive at this point in time in the knife world. So I'm 99% sure. If it's not, that means I have to do the entire, I can't do the entire video again because I've already unboxed it. So I'm taking a huge risk on saying that organically. But I'm pretty sure that's the case there. I don't know that I actually have anything that, yeah, I didn't get the box. All I got was the packaging. So let's take a look. There's nothing that says on the blade. So right off the bat, the fit and finish is absurd in a positive way. That's just WE. But the attention to detail in all of this work on the frame and the blade, oh my gosh, this is crazy. I'm not 100% sure this is really my taste, but I will say that just in terms of how impressive it is that all of that is going on and it looks good and it looks symmetrical and even as far as like one side of the blade to the other. And it looks nice. And what you end up with is actually, I mean, just initial impressions, feels good in the hand. You know, nice choke up position, nice place to rest your thumb on the blade back here. Oh yeah, that's nice. This will be a fun and very interesting one to talk about. That's wild. I have never had anything like this on my channel before. I'm guessing that's going to be M390. It's either S35VN or M390. We'll get into that. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little unboxing. If you did, please leave a like. And if you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Also, if you have been subscribed to my channel for a while and you are enjoying my content and you want to support me, you can follow the link in the description of this video to my Patreon and you can support me with just $1 if you want to. It would mean the world to me. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and have a great day.